So Anya, what you want for your birthday?
Crab and dumpling.
Crab and dumpling. That what she said she want to eat. Empty, just empty all. She mother went, I know come from work and she mother went and buy crab. Empty all on the table. I just grab all the crab. Ashamed to tell you how much for this crab, right? So I might just leave it at that. I ain't wanna tell people how much for this crab. Empty everything. If I tell people how much they happy for this crab, or they go say we get, I don't know, or they might say it's a good deal, or they might say we get robbed. I don't know. Empty all. But she says big crab.
Yeah.
It's really big crab, eh? But still, boy.
The crab.
Yeah. Empty all, Baba. Very crab, guys. Check it out. But it's real big crab. I'll get them that. You make sure none of the living. Check that on the out. Anya, come on.
Nice.
So guys, check out the crab. Crab is really nice. As I said, guys, it's just very, very, very expensive. I have to get a knife. I want to get a knife. Let me see if I can scrub it out. Anya, you ever clean crab?
What?
You ever clean crab? So in the comments, guys, so they can tell me what they read the blue crab. We get out of the face. Yeah. In the comments, tell me if they read the blue crab or hairy crab. The reason we just buy both crab, eh? But blue crab is just less work.
Anya, what you doing?
I can fight.
Yes, so I now finish cleaning the crab. Take a little time, maybe take a little hour. I try to crack every single gundy. Every single gundy will crack. That will just make it easier for me. Another clean crab for them turn. So I'm going to give the others to cook Anya birthday meal. Looks amazing. Yummy. Excited to eat.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the crab. Leah seasons up nice. Check that. Wow. I feel like I eat that just so. You know, I feel I see a fella do the other on TikTok. He cook crab and then he buy the tin of crab from Price Mart.
And add it.
He add it in the end then.
And the sauce.
And the sauce, yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
But better you buy 4 crab and then they buy tin of crab, you know.
Yeah.
And they might still come out cheaper than this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you get more meat.
Rare meat.
Yeah. I think it's like two something.
No, it's like 170 or something. Let's check it right here. That season looking real fresh and nice. I crack all the gundies and thing, because that gundy hard like stone. I hit the chop. I take the chopper and pound in that gundy, right? And the gundy, I had to pound it like 4 times and it's a heavy chopper. So thank God I crack them. You see how I crack them? Yeah.
Alright,
Well, yeah, I'm chunky the pot. You don't do your fiber dumpling and anything, I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, so guys, check out the dumpling. Looking amazing. Wow. Very nice. So this is the Anya quiet birthday line. They are baking a little small box cake. Let me see how it goes. Check out Leah. Fresh seasoning. Nice. It's gonna be some of the best crab and dumpling.
Every dish.
If you're hungry now, and the crab ain't going in the pot yet.
So I'm taking it by itself.
Yeah, very nice. Delicious. I say a little quiet, let's try to admire the sound of curry. So I try to stay quiet. We all admire the sound of curry. Let's go into it. Curry is life.
What time?
Yeah, time for the big moment, guys. Beautiful crab.
Oh my god. I guess like
I guess sticking my hand like again this crab too. I when the shell on this crab was real hard.
sharp.
Sharp, yeah, and hard. Wow, let's check it out. My god. My god. Now let me fill up see my face. So they got some pieces of some beautiful crab now. My god. Wow. Today, guys, is admiring the pot, right? Listen to the songs of the pot, admiring the pot. Whenever see the food up close, so
I see anything the camera in the pot.
there you go.
I forget that the crab.
Nice. I end up taking out a little couple small pieces, not the gundy. Small pieces, about 5 little pieces. The yesterday she making a little callaloo. She got a little 5 piece, flavor the callaloo now. Water.
Water and coconut milk.
Pretty. As always say, guys, if you're hungry now. Wow.
My way.
So guys, I'm hungry away, so she didn't get a chance to leave the coconut milk. She will do it one side. Then I'll. Some people there's cook with a little water and then there's add the coconut milk closer to the end.
What do you have?
To get it really thick. Pretty. Like that. So guys, for another summer way, I'll show you all buy crab in the US or any other part of the world. I mean like we regular crab, I'll show you all buy it. It tastes like our crab or it tastes better. Let's do in the comments, I'd like to know. What do you think, dear? Right? Well, check that big boy now. I'm not going to that big boy. Wow. There's that my Andy Potter. Wow, check it. Pretty. Pretty. You're going. Oh my god. This is just make it look beautiful. So guys, Leah like coconut milk, but she said she don't like too much coconut milk in a crab. So everybody different, guys. Some people love plenty coconut milk. She don't. So in about 10-15 minutes it's done, Leah, and crab will take longer.
Yeah, this is pretty saucy thick enough, really.
I like hairy crab. I find hairy crab has got a nice red, pretty color, yeah.
This kind of just stay the
and it
same.
stay the same color, yeah. I know the pot will look red and nice. I'll send message in the comments where you rather blue crab or hairy crab. Wow. So guys, this is Anya's birthday. She getting she food first and she getting a special plate. Yeah, that's officially, yeah.
I have dumpling?
That's enough dumpling, yeah. And look for the biggest crab fishy.
This one.
Yeah, that one, yeah. She'll get the biggest crab, yep. Some sauce. Not too much, don't put it in the dumpling, eh?
Yeah, that's what they say.
Nice. Check out Anya's plate. Wow. Let me see the crab. I can't see the crab.
Oh, we made it gandhi.
Yeah, it's already wrong way. Yes, Anya get the best crab. Check it out. Wow. My beautiful birthday girl. Happy? Baby happy?
Yeah.
Where you gonna taste first? Huh? Taste the dumpling first. So don't do like too much sauce on the dumpling, guys. Yeah, just fry up she dumpling with seasoning, and she just add a little bit of MSG in the dumpling, and once you do that, you just take your dumpling to a next level. Trust me. Tasting good? Right. Now we just suck a piece of crab. Let me see. See mommy crab this is nice. I gotta break the gunny fishy, guys. I gotta try and break the gunny nice so she got a nice taste. How the sauce this in? So guys, I don't know what most kids just ask for their birthday. Most kids might ask for McDonald's, they might ask for KFC, they might ask for pizza. And yeah, this one crab and dumpling. She's really my child boy. You understand? If you start ask for good belly and thing, I'll love you even more. So Daddy put a nice gun for you. Let me see it. Check it out. What you mean, guys? Take a bite, see if you like it. How it listen? That good? Sure. Dip it in our sauce. Take a bite. Yummy? That we talk about. Happy birthday, baby. Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Anya.
Happy birthday to you. That's not too much on the light, yes?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anya. Happy birthday to you. La 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 la. Watch daddy. Watch daddy.
Dance. La 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 la.
I can't lose with it. No.
Make a wish, make a
Make your wish, baby. I'll blow.
Make a wish, love. What's that? Come on, candle.
Go ahead, Vina helps you know.
Oh, yeah, eat
Let. Okay.
Fix it. I'm gonna fix it.
Yeah, y'all baby fishy.
What you know? You calling answer?
Okay. Amma? Amma, you have to fit.
Oh my God.
Any family? Oh, that's Shivi.
No, you gotta feed Anya.
Feed Anya.
Yay! So we got to.
I'm going to fishy.
Yeah, I'm going to finish it just now.
Oh, gosh.
No.
Yay! Speech, Anya. Make a speech.
No, Manish, no, you're supposed to
Anya, make a speech.
make a speech about her.
We have to feed her.
You have to feed her.
Oh.
Say hi, Jade.
Isn't good?
Take it time.
Oh, Jamie. And Jamie.
Combination.
Mama, mine for please.
I don't give you a kiss. Happy birthday.
Daddy didn't be here. Yeah, you know, like stinky daddy. And I don't care if she daddy stinky, it could be clean. She just love me. Yes? She just love me, yes? Yeah.
Feed Amma. Feed
Feed
Amma.
Amma. Here. Feed Amma.
Amma think it's your birthday.
It's Anna's birthday. Yummy? Kick your
Kiss for Anya, buddy. Kiss.
Kiss.
No.
Gift time, gift time. Gift time, gift time. Gift time, gift time, gift time. Gift time.
Guys, I eat when you have a birthday.
I bought that for you.
Everybody just want gifts.
Okay.
We get.
Color pencil.
Okay, now only stuff in your face. Anya, you can let she help you? Come baby, help up one good job. Right, that's seven. I'll put up on seven.
Oh,
Look inside.
that is so big.
Look inside.
What is that?
Yay.
Oh, it's a makeup thing?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
This looks like makeup I have before.
Yeah, that's one Amma mash up.
You like it, baby?
Yeah.
wraps.
Alright, very nice. So guys, Vinaya bought make her own gift. We love it.
Sir, that's enough.
What did Vinaya make in this box? What did Vinaya make in this box? What did Vinaya make in this box? So Vinaya hiding. What Vinaya make in this box?
Wait, where would I get from though? Wow.
She buy she one of the stuff and get Play-Doh. What else?
This pillow. Right here. No, you never made this, by the way.
She make a bun.
I know that pillow.
What else?
You know?
Sing yourself happy birthday. Thanks, sir.
Real little stuff. What else?
Pillow.
Want some snacks?
Yeah, you got pillow.
Very nice.
Wait.
And that's the end of the daily vlogs, guys. Anya, small little birthday. Anya, I'm gonna end it off. You enjoy your birthday? You like the gifts?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
You didn't watch me. You didn't watch me. Bye-bye.